Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how to use the OBDLink MX Plus and BimmerCode to turn off the fake sound, also known as active sound design, and I'll show you the other features available in BimmerCode. So the first thing you have to do is connect to one of the devices you plugged into the OBD port, and then when you click connect you choose which vehicle, so we're going to choose Toyota Supra here. It takes a little bit of time to read your vehicle, and then from there you'll see the different control units. So for the one that we want to do first, it's the active sound design, and that's the module that pumps the fake noise into the cabin. So the first thing you want to do is click deactivated and then code. So you have to code each control unit separately. Once it says coding successful, you can go back to the main menu and check out the other control units. So if you want to stop here, you could unplug it and turn on your car and just drive. So in the engine control unit, you can see you can modify the auto start stop function memory. I put it to active, so the hope is here that if I put auto off to off, it'll stay off for future drives. If we look at the other ones, so we have advanced crash safety module, air conditioning, engine control unit, head unit, instrument cluster, and roof function center. So the other ones I'm going to show you are probably the ones with the most options. So the first one we're going to open here is the head unit. Inside of this you can see many different settings, most of which you probably don't want to change as they don't really offer any value. You could change the ringtone to one of several different vehicles. You could change the start screen and a few different things. For the start animation, for instance, you could put Rolls-Royce and the Spirit of Ecstasy would come up. I've done that in different vehicles. You can enable here the video via USB or video in motion if you wanted to cast video from your device. I believe for Android phones only. It doesn't work for iPhones. In the instrument cluster, this is where you can change the logos and display clusters. I haven't tried this on the Supra just because I don't think it would look as good as it does on BMWs with the live cockpit. Once you're done, you can click disconnect, and then you can pull the device out after turning your car back off. And that's it. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.